Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are upcycling glass bottles and turning them into beautiful faux blown glass vases. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some glass vases. Make sure to cover your resin projects to keep them free of dirt and dust, and let them cure for at least 12 hours. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.